Today I am back at the demo park near Amsterdam, and I'm going to show you something that has never been on the channel before. What we've got here is the Rotor Home, and one of the features blew my mind, and it'll probably blow yours as well. It is just so cool. If you're thinking, well, yeah, obviously it's the rooftop deck. No. If you're thinking, clearly it is the outdoor shower. No, again. I don't want to spoil it this early in the video, but I'll give you a hint. You can see it in the shot right now, but you'd never guess it. What we're dealing with today is 290 square feet. I want to get right into this. I'm going to take a quick tour around the outside, then we'll duck inside, and at some point during this video, I'm going to show you a feature that'll probably blow your mind. Let's check it out. Yes, I did do the intro from the back of the home, so I thought it might make sense to come out front just to show you exactly what we're dealing with from this side. So as you can see, as I mentioned, rooftop deck. This is the main entrance here, and I haven't had a real good look around inside, but I'm guessing that's some sort of loft right there. I guess we'll find out. I got too distracted by the big important feature that will be unveiled shortly. Let's take a quick trip all the way around because I want to go on the rooftop deck and just see exactly what they've got going on. When I get into the pricing, I should note right up front that it does include this patio right here. So that is included in the pricing. They've got this sunk area right here, which would be cool for a fire pit. I'm trying to get up on the deck. I made it. All right. So, we just passed another hint. I don't know if you picked up on it. Okay, let's go check out the rooftop deck. Mostly I just wanted to see what the view was like from up here, because this is my second day at the demo park, but I thought this might be a good vantage point to get a shot of everything they've got going on here. So there you have it. Pretty cool spot. Perfect spot to see, I think 10 to 12 homes at one time. I'm not going to try and go down that forwards. You know, I'll probably pause it right here because I don't want to fall down the stairs. There we have it. I'm going to go down this way, and then I'll go inside and we'll check out the interior of the Rotor Home by Avenue and Plume. Another hint, might have spoiled it. All right, here we go. I'm gonna say it. This is the most unique home that I have ever been in. There is just so much going on in here. So let's talk about it. All right, as you enter in, if you take a direct left, you come into the dining space, which is slightly raised above the entryway, and beyond it, you've got a full wall of windows. Now, you'll notice that this dining table is on wheels. So this pushes back over top of the bench seating there. These chairs come down into the kitchen space, and over here, we've got a Murphy bed. So that folds down over there, right into that space, and that becomes the bedroom. Over here, we're looking at the kitchen. So lots of storage over on that side and some counter space right here. They've got the gold brass sink, whatever you want to call it, a cooktop before you come to the yellow fridge. Like I said, there is a lot going on in this home, lots to talk about. Below the cooktop, I haven't even opened these yet. We've got some drawers. These are kind of metal cabinets. You've got a under the sink storage there. And what is this one? Just more storage on that side. Looping around this way, you've got a wood burning fireplace right there. And behind door number 1, we've got a coat closet right by the front door with some built-in shelves right there. So something people always like to see by the front door is a place to hang coats. and they've got it sorted in the Rotor Home. Other side of the fridge, they've got another open shelf situation there, and right here, this pulls out, which is of course a good place to put mugs. You know, you could put really anything you want in there. Spices, chips, coffee, you name it, you can put it in there. You can kind of get a glimpse inside the bathroom right there, but above it, we've got a lofted space or a storage space. Whatever you need more, you can use it for. This ladder moves. I'm not going to move it right now because I'm working with one hand, so I'll just show you what we've got. So there's 2 doors on either side, okay? So these sliding glass doors come together, they're frosted. That closes off the space, which I'll call the wet bath area. Look at this tub. Would you look at this tub? It's almost like a hot tub. I was at a loss for words there for a second, which is rare, but honestly, it is like having a hot tub inside the home, which I like. I'm a hot tub guy. I don't last long in them, but I do like them. Okay, so we've got the vanity over here with the lit mirror up above. You got the rainfall shower head right there, which I actually didn't know was part of it until just this second. I thought that was a light fixture at first, but I looked in and it was a shower head. So over here, a little bit of office space, which I wasn't expecting in this portion of the home, but definitely something cool. Now, if you're wondering where the toilet is, we found it. It is right in here, kind of beside the rest of the bathroom in its own section right there. Okay, now I'm going to get the person who is attending to this home to help me show you the part that I've been kind of building up this entire video. But I guess before I do that, let's talk about the price. So this exact home with the terrace, the way you see it in this video, starts at 160,000 euros. And yeah, now let's get to it. All right, I've brought in Vera to show us this section of the video. What are we gonna do here?
We're gonna open up actually the kitchen.
Okay.
So, of course you have an inside kitchen, but you can also use it as an outside kitchen.
Let's
so
do it.
I will show it.
Okay.
So you open it up on the terrace.
Whoa. That is so cool.
And you can cook outside, sit on the terrace. Yeah, like this.
Just really opens up the space, literally. I know you said we can't keep it open long because it's raining, but thank you for doing that for us. That is such a cool feature. Thank you.
Thank you.
For those interested, here's a look at the floor plan, and you might notice right away that there are a few subtle differences between this floor plan and the home shown, but you know what? It's pretty darn close. If you want more time to look at the plan, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, then pause the video because I'm moving on. All right, that is it for me here at the demo park. This was the Rotor Home. I hope it lived up to the hype. I don't think I've seen another home with a literal indoor-outdoor kitchen. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.